Hello friends, this is Akshan and welcome to Indian Kids Coder, and in today's video we are going to see a basic structure of a Java program, like what are functions, what are the main method, and also first of all I will create a new project and I will select Java application here because we are going to make a Java application, means we are going to code in Java, and here the name I will type suppose basic structure, and I will check on create main class. Because I checked here create main class because it will now just means it will just create a class by itself, and it will just so now you will be thinking that why I remove this gray colored fonts, like this also I am removing. So now this gray color font means that it is these are known as comments. Means comments means what it basically is, that if you write anything in star slash star and star slash, between them if you like write anything, then all of that will be ignored by compiler or interpreter of Java. Okay, like I will show you. Like if I write here anything like this, then it will show error, as you can see. Okay, now here it compiles automatically as we are typing. No, it compiles, it keeps compiling as we type, and after it compiles it is showing error, that not a statement. Why not a statement? Because we are writing whatever. Now if I will write like this also, no, that this same thing also if I will copy here and write, no, it will again show error. See now why? See, it's showing error, that expected not a statement, expected means basically it is trying to say that this is not a statement, which means what you wrote here we are not understanding this. Okay, something like that. Now this same thing if I write like this, okay, like this, if you write like double slash also, no, there also it will be comment, but one line comment. But if you want to like write multiple line comment, you have to write slash star, and then at the end slash star slash, like this you have to write. Okay, but for now I will write like this. Okay, so as you can see now there is no error, means compiler is ignoring that. That means we are saying to the compiler that no need to compile this, basically no need to compile this, basically. Okay, so here now I will just remove all these comments because I don't need this, and inside this I will write a basic Java program, and that will be system dot out. Now what I am writing, this system dot out means system dot out dot println I will write here, and inside this I will write hello world. Okay, so system dot out dot println means it will print the, we are giving a command to print this hello world, means anything we write inside this inverted commas and inside this brackets, it will print all that. Okay, means in the console, means if I run it, then as you can see hello world as it is printed here. So now let's discuss the basic structure. Like first of all we will see what is this package. You will be seeing that here package dot package basic structure, means basic structure is the name of the class, and package is written before it, and then semicolon. Semicolon, as I told you in last few videos, that semicolon means semicolon means full stop. As in normal English, full stop is a small dot, but in semicolon, in Java, semicolon is the full stop. For full stop, for terminating a line, you have to write this. This. Okay, this one. Okay, so now you might be thinking, what is this package? Why it is written like this? Package is something that groups this class and functions. Now what is functions and class? So I will tell you in detail about function and class. Okay, So function means functions means basically you can say functions is basically a group of code that is written to do a specific task. Like for example, you write a function to add two numbers. That means in whole program wherever you will execute that function, that it will add the two numbers, the two values that you will give, okay, to that function. So that is the thing. Function means that. And this public static void main is also a function, a main function. Okay, in every Java program there is a function to do something, to start a program. We have to first of all write this function, and inside this function we have to write our whole program. Okay, like whatever we have to print, or we have to add some two numbers and all that input and all. Okay, so this is the function. There is always a function to write a program, a main function we say it. And a main function means this function is always known as main. Okay, now I will tell you the structure of this function also. Now wait, so first of all, at here, as you can see, this main is written here. Main means, as I told, this is a main function, so name of the function will be written here, that is main. Inside this some arguments will be there, like a string will be there, and args means argument. So now let's discuss about this void. Now for example you send any person to do any work, like there is a friend. Okay, there is your friend, and his TV is not working, and you send any person, okay, to repair his TV. And then you say to him that just go to my friend's home and repair his TV and go back home, means go return to your home. So that means you don't want him to return anything to you. Like that same thing will happen here. Like if you don't want any function to return it, or if you want anything, means if you don't want anything, if you don't want a function to return you anything, then then you can write here void. Void means basically nothing, means it will not return anything. Now what means this public? Now public means basically so now this public is basically here access modifier. Okay, means about this we will learn more in details in upcoming videos, but for now you just remember that it is a access modifier. Okay, so this was about the main method, and now we are going to see what are classes. So now here classes means basically a group of function and group of statements. Means suppose you made many functions, like one is for adding two numbers, one is for multiplying, one is for dividing, okay, or one is for switching from one frame to another, like that, something like that, suppose. So you made like that functions, and you want to group all that functions, so you will group all that functions in the class. And inside this class, whenever you call any function, whenever you need any function, then that time you can call that function and you can use that function. Okay, so that is classes means basically a group of function and statements, you can say. So that is it. I told you about package, about class, about what is this public also I told you, and about this system.out.println, and about this main method. So that's it for this video. In upcoming videos we will study more about the Java program. So if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Till then, take care everyone, and bye. Take care. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye.